is Lindsay Holly, and I'm happy to share with you some of my tips for having a stylish and successful Coachella weekend. Everything that I have purchased for my Coachella outfits have all been from Thrift Trader here in San Diego, and their deal is you get 4 things for $20. It's the most amazing resale store, and I couldn't have the cute style that I have without their amazing help. Luckily, the Coachella style is a boho hippie look, which is about my everyday style, and so I'm happy to share with you how you can dress the part and not have to break your bank. So first I'm going to talk about how flowy clothes are beneficial for layering. It's great from going from day to night. Tunics like this or blouses are really in style and really great for also hiding those sweaty areas that you don't want exposed. Also, lacy vests and denim vests are so in right now. I found this one, it was $4.99, and I'm in love with it. Super cute, and goes with my distressed shorts that I turned from mom jeans into some really awesome high-waisted jean shorts. Shorts are great because they have pockets. You can keep things that you need often in them, like your phone and chapstick, and are just super cute and comfortable. Now, if you want to wear a skirt, they are really in style right now. These especially, I also found this at Thrift Trader, are really in right now. Really beautiful, but not practical. You are going to want to sit at some point. It's a long day, a long walking, and you don't want to get your gorgeous skirt dirty. If you insist on wearing a skirt, I would suggest one like this that has a light flowing fabric, is going to be breezy, allow you to dance, but also is going to hide any dirt when you sit down and also cover your private areas. Bright colors are really in. I also turned these neon orange capris into some really cute high-waisted shorts, and I found this awesome vintage t-shirt that was really kind of dorky and big and boxy, and cut it up, and I'm going to throw a denim vest over it, wear it with these orange shorts, and it's going to be super, super Coachella. Now, lace blouses are really in too. I found this top also at Thrift Trader and cut it into a crop top, and I'm going to wear it with a bandeau. But bikinis are also excellent for layering. You can go and release your inner wild child and just run around in your bikini top and get sun, but make sure you wear sunblock because nothing puts a damper on your party like being sunburned and looking like a lobster for 3 days. Nothing is such a bummer, and your skin needs to be protected. It's the thing that you wear the most often, so keep a little bottle of SPF even with you, especially for your face. Speaking of protecting your face, hats are super cute and really in, especially at Coachella, and are great for keeping the sun off your face, keeping the wind from blowing your hair around, and are just absolutely an adorable accessory, as you can see. Headbands, of course, very Coachella and very efficient for keeping your hair in place, as well as headscarves. I found this one at Thrift Trader the other day and I absolutely love it. Tie it about mid-forehead high so you don't look like a Karate Kid, knot it in the back, and voila! Also great for disguising the unwashed hair, especially on day 2 or day 3 when it's real sweaty. Everybody gets it. Just dress it up cute. For your bag to carry your little festival goodies and survival tips, which the next video I will do will cover the necessities that I had forgotten on the first year I went to Coachella and can never live without now, so I want to make sure to share that with you. Shoulder bags are great because you can wear them across you can be hands-free, you can dance, you don't have to worry about it, but my favorite is the fanny pack. And Coachella and fanny packs go hand in hand, they really do, so wear it while you can. They go perfect with these high-waisted shorts that are in right now too. So I love this acid wash denim fanny pack that I got at the Guest Hotel last year, and I just absolutely adore it. Also, a little insider tip, water bottles. You will spend $2 every time you want to drink water. If you have one of these cute little water bottle holders, bring your own water bottle, it will save you a lot of money and the earth will thank you. I got this one in Peru when I visited Machu Picchu. And also, if you have a water bottle that has a loop, you can just bring a clip and clip it to your purse and bring it with you. It's really not that inconvenient, and there's refill stations everywhere, so free clean water, can't beat that. Shoes are the most important item for your Coachella outfit. Let me tell you, you're gonna be walking a lot. Even if you have drivers from the parking lot to the festival, from tents to stages, you're gonna be hiking a lot. So wear shoes that are going to be comfortable. My favorite are just these little cheap canvas shoes that are, you know, comfortable and durable, and if you get stepped on, they're gonna get, you know, dirty and roughed up, doesn't matter. Or these really comfy sandals that are really cute and have a nice little cushion in them. Or sandals like this, your toes are exposed, you might get stepped on. Some people take that risk, but the best shoe you could possibly wear are boots like this. They are the most fashionable, they go with every Coachella outfit. It's like the staple or cute boots. And you can wear insoles inside them, so you have extra cushion for your feet. You can wear little socks so that you don't get blisters. And they're just super cute. You can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with shorts. They go with everything. Now, of course, you gotta have sunglasses too, eye protection, but you're not gonna be wearing them at nighttime. So don't bring your expensive, nice glasses. Buy super cheapy ones that fold small and can fit in your purse, you know, or these that can loop onto your stuff. If they drop and break, you're not gonna cry about it. It's not gonna be a downer on your weekend. Bring extra pairs too, because chances are they might drop or go missing. And you don't want to be totally bummed out about some sunglasses. So those are my main tips for what your outfits should be like. Again, I got all of this at Thrift Trader. Nothing was over $6, and I'm gonna be a little hippie girl for the weekend. So check back for my next video on what's inside my fanny pack of Coachella survival. You're gonna want to catch this because I guarantee there's some things you haven't thought of. Thanks!